Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing an absolutely stunning 1967 Pontiac GTO. So tiger in your tank. This was probably one of the nicest, most beautiful GTOs that I've ever seen. Finished in Samba green over black. We're going to spend a little bit of time today to get to know this lovely lady, so you can understand exactly what she is and whether you can picture this as being the next car in your garage. The paint and body on this car is absolutely stunning. I tried to catch it in direct sun so you could see the metallic in the paint and clearly the body lines and gaps. Nearly perfect. As we look down the long quarter panels here, this is a real deal GTO. We installed new BFG raised white letters. You'll see a 4-speed manual transmission. All the GTO attributes. This car was completely disassembled. This was a rotisserie restoration and also a magazine feature car. As we follow along here, you'll understand exactly why. This car came to us out of Virginia, where I spent the last 35 years. Gentleman advanced in years, found that he just wasn't driving it nearly as much as he thought he would be at this point in his life. Chrome bumpers have been re-chromed. These are not reproduction bumpers. Headlight bezels. Absolutely stunning example. The dual 4-barrel. WW block, long tube headers, HEI ignition, see no shortcuts taken. Normally I point out imperfections and flaws in the paint and body, but really I can't find any. If I had to be super picky, the door handles show a little weathering or age. All the rubber. Super nice. to grab the keys. We'll go in the trunk before we fire it up. Original quarter stamps there. Again there. Pressure light is on. That, I think when I detailed the engine, that must have popped on because it wasn't on there last night when I drove it. Let's go. So here we are at our main dealership, driving the 67 GTO. Actually, I've got my chauffeur. We're running through the paces. A nice old 68 Hemi Dart we just got in. Pause while we wait for traffic. See the tag there in the dash. So we're at 65 miles an hour, 2,500 RPMs. Great taper of cruise here in Conway, South Carolina. It's about 95 degrees in September. Boy, she drives so nice. See, easy on the steering wheel. Track's nice down the road. Manual steering. Manual brakes. It drives just perfectly. Radio does work, it's AM only. Fan speeds function. Turn signals. Car show everywhere we go today. door. Wow, that's exhilarating. Probably feels faster seat. So the slips on this car are right at a 13-second quarter-mile car. So you have one of these before, you know that's what it does. A little bit worked. Runs great. Let's go back to the shop and go underneath.